Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to save a picture that you save on the files on your device into your gallery or in the photos. So sometimes we save a files or we save a photo in the files in these files folders, but then if you save the pictures here, they will be not appear in photos. So to make it appear in photos, there will be a way. So first thing we have to do is just open the files first and find out which pictures that we want to save into the photos. Let's just explore it and find out which picture that you want to move. For example, I want to save this. I want to make it appear on photos. So the things we have to do is just go by clicking this down corner here. And after we click it, there will be several options. So one of them is save image. If I click this save image, so this picture will be saved in a photo. How to check it? You just need to go back and go into your photos and check. The photo is already here. So that's all the way how you move a picture that you already saved in the files to be appear in a photo. So if you find out this tutorial is got you so well, guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.